Imagine opening your security camera app, and the very first thing you see is an ad. Yes, it actually happens with XMEye. XMEye is maintained by Hangzhou XMEye Technology, which provides free software to dozens of OEM camera brands. Since many of these devices are low-cost, monetizing through ads is a way for the company to make money, even on cheap products. But this clashes with user expectations, especially in Western countries, where security and privacy are top priorities. Ads in a security app? Definitely annoying. Luckily, there are two ways to stop those annoying ads in XMEye, and I'll show you both. The first method works directly inside the XMEye app, and the second method uses other compatible apps that don't show ads at all. Let's first see how to stop ads directly in the XMEye app. Open the app, then tap on the Profile button. Next, go to Settings, then Advanced Settings, and finally tap the Advertisement button to turn off ad display. That's it, no more ads inside XMEye. But if, for some reason, the XMEye app still shows ads, don't worry. There's another way to completely get rid of them. The second method is to use a different app that's compatible with XMEye cameras and doesn't show any ads. There are actually several apps that are basically versions of XMEye, just with different designs, often used by other companies, and all ad-free. One option is XMEye Pro. It used to show ads, but now it's completely ad-free and works with most XMEye cameras. Another great choice is Giga Admin. It's slightly different from XMEye, but it has the same features and doesn't display any ads. There's also XMEye Plus, which works well and is currently ad-free too. Keep in mind, these apps are ad-free as of the time this video is recorded, but there's always a chance ads could be added in the future. So it's a good idea to explore other options as well. Also, keep in mind that since these apps are made by other companies, it wouldn't be fair to leave negative reviews on the App Store for issues you encounter if you don't actually own their products. Only users who use the cameras from those companies should provide feedback or report problems. If this video helped you get rid of XMEye ads, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who use XMEye cameras. Comment below if you've tried any of these apps, or if you know other ad-free options. And stay tuned, we'll be posting more videos about XMEye soon, showing how to fix problems and get the most out of your cameras. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and see you in the next video.